Hi. So basically CapCut is banned in India and many people want to install it. Just follow me steps. Open Chrome, type CapCut APK, press CapCut for .9.0. Scroll down, press latest version. Scroll down, press download. Press OK, and then it will download. Press three dots. Press downloads. Now you just wait. When it's installed, click on it. Wait. Press install. Finally, wait. We are not done yet. If you will open CapCut, then this will come. Don't worry, there is a way to fix it. Open Playstore or App Store. Search VPNIFY. Install and open it. Press tap to connect. Now reopen CapCut. Boom! I hope it helped. Sorry for no music lol. Bye, stay safe stars.